Hey friends, it's Miss Bell. Today we're going to be playing a game of I Spy with our farm animals. So I'm going to read you a clue and tell you some details about some animals, and you need to help me figure out which animal I'm talking about. Here we go. Let's do the first one together. I spy an animal that is black and white and makes milk for us to drink. Which animal is it? Is it a cow? Or is it a chicken? That's right, it's a cow. A cow is black and white and makes milk for us to drink. Way to go! You spied the right animal. Let's do some more. I spy an animal that barks and people love to have as a pet. Which animal am I talking about? A dog or a pig? Way to go! I am talking about a dog. A dog barks and people love to have them as pets. Maybe you have a dog at home too, but people don't have pigs as pets. They're stinky and dirty. Yucky yuck. All right, here's the next one. I spy an animal that has 4 legs and a long tail. Which animal is it? That's right, it's a horse. Let's count the legs to make sure that he has 4 legs. All right, here's the horse. Let's count his legs. Get your pointer finger out, ready to count. We start with 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Way to go. How many legs does he have? 4 legs. Nice working, friends. All right. I spy an animal that is fluffy, it hops around, and it likes to eat carrots. Which animal is it? Way to go! It's a bunny rabbit. The bunny rabbit is fluffy and hops around and loves to eat carrots. Do you like to eat carrots? Yeah, me too. All right, let's see what's next. I spy an animal that has feathers and likes to crow early in the morning. Which animal is it? Is it a frog? Does a frog have feathers? No. I spy a rooster. That's right, a rooster has feathers and wakes up all the farm animals and the farmers early in the morning. All right. I spy an animal that has feathers and swims on a pond. Which animal is it? Way to go! It's a duck. Let's just make sure. Does a duck have feathers? Yes. And does a duck swim on a pond? Yes. Way to go. I spy a duck. All right. I spy an animal that says oink and likes to play in the mud. Which animal is it? Which animal says oink and likes to play in the mud? Way to go, you're right, it's a pig. This little pink pig. Okay, here we go. I spy an animal that is small and likes to eat cheese. Which animal is it? Is a horse small? No, horses are big. Is a mouse small? Yeah, and does a mouse like to eat cheese? Yeah, so I spy a mouse. Way to go. All right. I spy an animal that is small and likes to play with yarn. This one's a little tricky. Which animal am I? I'm small and like to play with yarn. And I'll give you another clue. This animal says meow. Is it a cat or a goat? Yeah, it's a cat. A lot of cats like to play with yarn. I spy an animal that likes to swim and eat flies. Yucky. Swim and eat flies. Which animal do I see? Way to go! A frog likes to swim and eat flies. What else does a frog like to do? Yeah, he likes to hop and say ribbit. Those are all good things that frogs like to do. All right, I spy an animal that is soft and loves to eat grass. What animal am I? I see an animal here that looks very soft. Yeah, I am talking about a sheep, or maybe it's a lamb. A lamb is a baby sheep. I see this soft animal right here, and sheep love to eat grass. Nice working, friends. A few more. I spy an animal that has a beak and likes to fly. What animal? A mouse or a bird? Way to go! It is a bird. A bird has a beak. Can you make a beak? Yeah, nice job. A bird has a beak and likes to fly. Ooh. I spy a person who helps take care of the animals on the farm. What is he? This is one of our community helpers, friends. That's right, this person is a farmer. He helps take care of the animals on the farm. Way to go. I spy something that helps the farmer drive around on the farm. What is it? You see it? Nice job. What is that called? It's called a tractor. Nice job, friends. This tractor has one big wheel and one small wheel. And I see a shape I know here. What shape are these big wheels and small wheels? What shape are they? That's right, they are circles, around and close. Way to go. I spy a girl who helps take care of the animals on the farm. What is she? Way to go, here's another farmer. She also helps to take care of the animals and the crops on the farm. We did it, friends! The ending slide is saying, what is your favorite animal? Maybe your favorite animal is a cow or a dog. You can tell the person next to you what your favorite animal is. Thanks for working so hard with me on our I Spy game. You can practice playing I Spy in your own house. I'll see you guys again soon for something else fun. Bye!